We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly here, we mentioned how we can look for trade. But as we can see, we didn't get any trade setup. The only way is if anyone trade based on this. Okay, and it's not a good trade setup. If any get the trade, I think they should take out the trade, or at least if they can move their stop loss to break even. Anyway, we didn't have any trade setup if we refer to our last analysis, and there is no much changes, and no one see how what's the next. Either we can look for trade or not. Okay, if we move to daily chart, the only thing is we want to see whether there is a continuation, or we want to see the breakout of the previous stop. We don't have anything else to look for. And even if we move to forward chart, we don't have any new information. Okay, the only thing is we see the divergence here. And how about the MACD doesn't show us the divergence. And we don't I mean, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. The only thing is we start to manage whatever the trade we have. Okay, and even the price continue, we cannot look for buy because we need to get the trade setup. And even based on forward chart, sorry, even based on 1 hour chart, even based on 1 hour chart, but based on 1 hour chart, we see that we have a divergence. That's why we cannot look for trade right now. We don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. We have to wait and see what we get here. Okay, anyway, I don't suggest to look for trade based on this correction. It's better we wait to get the better correction and trade setup. And this one doesn't show us anything. Even if we get the correction here similar to what we get here, maybe we can look for the internal car flat for short term buy. But what I can see here, I won't suggest it. I suggest wait and see what we get. Then from there we make a decision. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.